Hello guys, Jai Hind. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to S Online. In this particular video, we will see the most important vacancy released by the SECL Southeastern Coalfields Limited, and how can you fill your application form and how can you grab one opportunity from SECL given by the SECL. So let's see what are the most important vacancy announced by the SECL. SECL Southeastern Coalfields Limited employment notification announced and invites online application for the eligible candidates of India for the following posts. Posts are mentioned here. First is Mining Sardar T and S Grade C, and basic pay for this important vacancy is 47,330.25 paise, and total vacancies including backlogs are available also mentioned here. SC 19%, 110 vacancies, ST 14%, 86, OBC 17%, non-creamy layer 98, EWS 10%, 58, UR unreserved 225, total vacancies 577. Second vacancies, Deputy Surveyor T and S Grade C, Mining 47, 330.25 and vacancies 8, 6, 7, 4, 18. In SC, ST, OBC, EWS and UR. Total vacancies 43. Okay. And another post is also mentioned here, that is Assistant Foreman Electrical Grade C, and basic pay is also same 47, 330.25, and in this vacancy SC 83 vacancies are available, ST 61, OBC 74, EWS 43, UR 174, total 435. Okay, that means 577 for Mining Sardar, Deputy Surveyor 43 and Assistant Foreman 435. Total 1000 plus vacancies are announced by the SECL. So let's see what are important details mentioned in this important notification. Okay, minimum qualification required for post name Mining Sardar in Technical and Supervisor Grade C. You have to complete your matriculation or equivalent examination from any recognized board of examination, or diploma in mining engineering of 3 years duration of degree in mining engineering or other equivalent qualification approved in that behalf by the central government from any recognized institute. Okay, this is for Mining Sardar in technical supervisory Grade C. Second post, that is Deputy Surveyor in Technical Supervisory Grade C, matriculation and equivalent examination from recognized board of examination, or if you have degree or diploma in mining and mine surveying engineering from any recognized university, then you are eligible for this post. Last is Assistant Foreman Electrical, Technical and Supervisory Grade C. You have to complete your matriculate or equivalent examination passed from any recognized board of examination, and diploma or relevant and higher qualification minimum 3 years course in electrical engineering from an institute recognized by the government. So these are important vacancies and their qualification requirement. Okay, special notes is also available, but you have to know about the reservation. All is available for just like the union government guidelines. Okay, notification and amendment from the time to time you have to follow. And next part is, which is important, that is age limit. Cutoff date 8/4/2026. Okay, the candidates must have attained the minimum age of 18 years as on the cutoff date, and the age should not exceed 30 years. Okay, 18 and 30 maximum. However, relaxation upper age for 30 years for claiming age relaxation, it is follows as applicable by the union government, central government. For you are no relaxation. SC and ST 5 years you have to submit your SC/ST certificate. OBC non-creamy layer 3 years, and ex-servicemen for those divorce defense 3 years plus, and 6 years for OBC and 8 years for SC and ST ex-servicemen personnel. Okay, person with disability 10 years for general candidate available, and candidate by 13 years for OBC non-creamy layer and 15 years for SC ST candidates. Okay, departmental candidates no upper age limit. So it is very important as relaxation and age criteria, age limit for these important vacancies. Selection process. You have to know about the selection process. The selection methodology will comprise of computer-based test, that means CBT. Okay, only and personal interview is discontinued in line with the circular issued by the CIL Coal India Limited, and SECL is the part of the Coal India Limited, Southeastern Coalfield Limited. Headquarters is in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Okay, eligible candidates are declared by them meeting the minimum eligibility criteria. That means you have to clear your CBT examination, then your interview, then you will be qualify for the next round, that means document verification and final selection. Okay, qualification marks in computer based test for all categories. For general or EWS, minimum marks required 45, OBC 40 and ESM 40, SC ST 35 marks required. Next part is very important, that is fee, examination fee. Test cities and the computer based test will be held at the cities, and the mention in the online application candidates may opt the 3 cities from the list as per the preference, and same cannot be changed after the online form is submitted. SECL reserves the right to allocate any test cities, change the test city opted by the candidate. SECL reserves the right to add or delete any cities from the list based on the number of the applications. So it is all right reserved by the SECL. Okay, how to apply? At first, you have to going through the official website. URL is secl.cil.in. Okay, secl.cil.in, and go through career and employment notification, and then you have to fill your all personal details, and scanned you have to apply, that means upload your scanned document, your passport size photo, your signature in black ink pen, scanned documents, that means matriculation certificate or equivalent examination certificate or degree, whichever is needed here. Okay, for all different posts. So these are all important details. Now 9th number, application fee. If you are unreserved, OBC non-creamy layer candidates or EWS, then you have to pay 1000 rupee plus application GST 180, that means 1180 rupees. And if you are SC, ST, ex-servicemen, PWBD, departmental candidates or female candidates, no need to pay any of the amount, that means nil. Okay, and general instruction for all the candidates, that is very important because applications should be submitted through online mode. Yes, we know that all qualifications should be recognized by the AICTE and UGC guideline appropriate Indian statutory authorities. Before submitting the application, the candidate must ensure that he or she fulfills what? He or she fulfills all the eligibility criteria and other norms mentioned in application notification, employment notification. So these are all details given by the SECL. Okay, if you want to know all things about the anything about these important vacancies, then you have to contact in this number, that is 9425598240. Okay, and it is also available for your query and your all requirement details. Okay, yes, that's all. And now next is important dates. This is also important. Start date of online registration from and form submission 15/4/2026. It will be open. Closing date for online registration and form submission 14/5/2026 and time 11:59 PM. Tentative date of downloading and admit card. Downloading and admit card will be intimated through official website after some time. CBT test time duration will be intimated through the official website, and last, that is tentative date of declaration of result will be intimated through official website. So these are all details given by the SECL. And Hindi format is also given. If you need any details in Hindi form, then you have to download this PDF from this important video in the description part, and also go through the SECL official website where you can see the important PDF. So that's all. If you need any query, any help, any suggestion regarding to this important recruitment, then comment in this important video. So we will meet after some time. We will meet in new video. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.